perfect wedding.
Gqoke white.
Okay.
Your perfect wedding.
Ay ma.
Uthe my Uthe my perfect wedding. So
Number one, I will say I have never done a blowjob.
how?
And then soft. I love like toxic guy.
Oh, marshmallow.
Angifuni nje umfana ozoba like soft to me make yonke into uyavuma yebo baba ngathi sisonto.
Wait.
Yabo ngithanda ukuphuza kanjani maybe ngithanda ukuphuma out. I don't like umuntu engizothi sometimes ngizothi sengifuna uphuma thi ya like ngifuna indoda.
Challenge.
Yes, umuntu ozomchallenge. Yes, hlala phansi.
Chief, let's talk about your English.
My English.
Now, where's our guest, Daibo? I think she's thinking of
No.
me while she's.
Guys, have you like I want to ask ngihamba nayo 10.
I can't. No.
Chase, I'm back.
Did you?
I enjoyed the
Come,
dream.
go.
I did. I did. It was nice.
You came.
Yes. You long mazi.
My love life.
It's my love life.
Salayo. Uyadla wena.
Usho njabulo.
Welcome to our show, the Extreme Chats Podcast.
Yes.
Your host, uyena mphathwazo mshana kaYesu in the flesh himself. Bafethu ngiphethe abantu abahle azosintroduce but sir,
My king.
you
Yes, father.
intro
My king.
Quick.
I go by the name of Lolo Xesibe Mkhuma.
by the what?
By the name of.
Hey.
It's me. Tell me now.
Hey. I don't know.
By the name of Lolo Xesibe Mkhuma. Mfana Sosoweto, mfana waseSoweto yonke. That's me, bazalwane. Danko. Abazalwane.
Osiyabo, my lady, my
Yes.
co-host, queen
Tell
of
me
the
now.
show.
What are you saying?
Uyena.
Wawa, ngahleki.
Ah.
Hi guys, my name is Nolulove Shabalala. Yeah, that's me. I'm here with Extreme Chats. I hope you love the show. Nisbugele, nislandelele. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Our special one.
Yes, Fana.
The one.
Tell me now.
Herself.
What I'm doing now.
She's wearing a
White
dress.
something.
She's
Yes,
getting married
Fana.
soon.
Nice. Next year, April, May, June, July. Tell me now.
Herself. Intro, please.
So, guys, I go by the name of Ubuhle Diko. Yeah, I'm quite happy to be here.
Tell me now. Yes. Yes. What are you saying?
Ngihlala Middlelands, ngihlala Pretty Island, so I've like
Travel. Uwe indawo.
No, I'm travel like I have my place and then
Endaweni. Oh, you have your place in
Yes.
ekhaya. Gosh.
But why ungahlali endaweni yakho?
Iwan, angithanda ukuhlala ngiwan.
Ngisela nokusekhona nokuthi. Lolu? Yes, girl. Tell me now.
Oh, uhlala uyi-1.
Yeah.
Ubaba sekhaya.
Ukhona.
Nathi nje utatazeli.
No, I'm not. Ukhona.
Okay.
Uyazi ukhona.
Uyazi.
Ukuthi la.
Yes, uyazi.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Ngimazisini.
All right. No, Chief. Do you know what inhlane nobani e mall this week?
No, Fana.
And yazi ngiyangibelieve nami. Enunkai hack. Yamazisi lo othi No, yabona nosisi lo yazi ngani nobani nosisi othi lo othi celebrity elikhulu lo othi the person you've called is not available.
Miss call.
please try again.
Yes.
Nama-
Man.
Yazi mina ngizweni.
nama-
Ngizwe ukuthi lo muntu osiphendulayo kuma calculator
Okay.
shonile.
Man, ngizokushaya.
Go on.
Ngizokushaya.
Chief, lo muntu osithandela ama-answer.
manje siwathola lapha ama-answer
Shonile.
kanjani manje
Feliyani abantu.
ayibo
Oh, no, chief.
Shonile.
Do you know?
And manje ngithebe ngibuza ukuthi ushona kanjani bekathi uyacalculate kanti amanamba ayaphelela.
No.
Kanti uphelele umsebenzi.
umsebenzi kanjani ashonile
No bekathi uyacalculate.
ubani
Lo
ucalculate-ayo
muntu osiphendulayo kuma calculator iba nami. Come with me. Come with me.
Guys,
he lost
I heard ukuthi nobabili. Common.
Yes.
something in common
Uthe veza
apparently,
something. Yes
Eh?
fana.
Let me.
ngaze ngayizwa
Yo.
Ngilaleleni. Extremers.
Yes fana.
Apparently they're sharing
Personality.
a personality, or they once shared
No.
a
Personality.
personality. You see,
Kanti they know.
and we wanna know ukuthi the person ibingitreata when ibikutreata njani, when ibikutreata njani, and uhlwane naye mina. No, wanna know.
Wanna know.
mina ngihlukani nabantu bami but honestly angihlukani nabo bayabuya
Eish.
No, it's fine.
yeah
Cause wow.
So usajona naye.
no angijoni naye angithi kuba nalento lokuthi nijole and then into vele iphelele emoyeni kungekho ukuthi
Intamba isafika.
siyahlukana or and then umuntu umbone sakafona ukuthi hawo
connect.
seyiconnect ha ngithi nokubona
The
inokulahleka
Bluetooth.
isignal iphinde ibuye
The Bluetooth
so
does not
inokubuya isignal it's
Sengla.
sengla you understand so yeah
Buhle.
We never dated.
Oh.
We were acquaintances.
Consequences.
Consequences.
Yes. Bengimazi bekangazi.
oh
Yeah.
But dlala.
manje wazelapha
Phansi
ukuthi
mabhadi.
utoxic
Yes,
And
because
controlling.
we were like friends, I can say, because bekangivakashela, you know.
oh man vakashelana
Bekangivakashe. Yes.
Oh.
Uyazi nawe.
Awu.
Uyazi
Nawe
Kwakhe kwakhe.
uphuma khona
Angiphuma ngakhona.
Hayi.
Kasi one. Same kasi.
Yeah.
akasablash
So
Ubani
besiphuma so
Ngithi manje ngikhuluma ngalo muntu engikhuluma ngaye manje.
okay uplashela abantu
Yeah.
no
Ngeke,
Ngeke.
yo.
okay
So
ayiqhubeke indaba ke
Yeah, besiploma sonke so ngambona ukuthi unama toxic traits nje here and
wabone
there.
kanjani
Like maybe when you go out because besithanda ukuya coffee.
or mega controller
Yeah, maybe bekubulisa some guy. I'm like, why umbulisa? Yabo. I'm like,
uye vele toxic
why?
Kanjani nakuwe kanjani?
mina ke uwesi ke because uke
Cool, akubamba.
wangilanda wahambisa imoto like
Oh, wakhambisa imoto.
wahambisa
Uthini
imoto wayelangibamba isandla and then said honestly
wekubulanga njengembani.
bengunkulunkulu manje ubethele esiphambani
No, no.
yeah toxic shit
Wait.
and you like
Angakumcabangele.
Never,
You look so
never.
innocent, Shep.
Yeah.
I heard he's a TikTok.
Oh my god is good.
No, chief. We know
yeah
him.
yeah
TikTok.
TikTok.
amara
Usasena inamba yakhe.
No.
Usasena
no
Of course, of course.
anginayo
uzomvideo call.
anginayo
Wow.
amu
It's fine
Of
with
course.
like.
Of course.
No.
Video call.
And manje ngeke simvimbe ukuthi ayenze lento leyo.
All right, guys, I have a game here.
okay
The game it's 2 lies 1 truth. Uzositshela
Ama.
2 namanga 2 truth.
One lie.
Okay.
Shuthi igame kanje uzositshela istory esiyiqiniso. Hectic one. Ene security ozobe uqala ukuyikhipha la. 2 truth, 1 lie. Then one of us has to guess
The truth
It's like all of us will guess which one
is the truth.
is the truth and which one are the lies.
If you guess the lie, you go phakathi.
Chief.
Phakathi.
They shouldn't swim.
It shouldn't swim.
They shouldn't swim.
Okay.
Because
Senifuna
we drown when we
ukubonana.
swim.
ufuna ukusibonisa
Ukubonana.
No.
khona ufuna ukuyibonisa
Na.
yeke licela ukubonisa nizobonisa kanti akubonakala
Enthanda uyabonisa.
yambona
Nothanda chief.
yambona no angifuni yo
Ngiyabonisana mina.
No. I was talking about the game chief.
yes fana ubuzosibonisa akubonakala
Hayi, phuma la.
Amu.
No, yabo.
No, okay, it's fine. Ngibonisana ini?
Eh?
Ngibonisana ini?
No, Thanda.
Ngathi
Life.
neindaba no.
Impilo.
Eh?
Impilo.
Yeah, like
Eyani?
yeah
Eyani?
lifestyle yakho.
Ukuthi yenzeni?
Hayibo. Thanda ngabe sibuza wena.
Okay, sharp.
Ubumbonisi wena uTikTok abumbonisa.
Dab.
Umbonisa ini?
Pheli
Makasibonela mengambonisi. Hawu angithi uye maka.
uvezi okuthanda uvezile
Eh?
eh
Ngithanda ngivezile. Ini?
okay
Guys, asiphumeni. Yeah.
Thanda is a dog chief. So sizoqala ngawe chief.
yes fana
Tell us something deep.
2 deep Ish,
3 chief.
3
But 2
truth 1 lie
It should Sasha. Yoy.
ufuna ukuthini isilungu
Shall set you free.
kanti uyadlala alright the truth is bazalwane ngizonitshela ukuthi kuyafana Eh? That's why I'm very 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 proud of myself because in life
Sesi
everyone
No, simuzwa sizangazana.
because everyone is a believer yes is a believer and they believed in the believed because they believed shall say true in the believed
Isilungu lesi. Hayi ngeke.
ngiyadlala
Siyala.
isilungu akusisilungu sami lesi
Yabona uyasazi yabona umuntu ophuma esikolweni esigcokishe leli.
Yabo.
uyelo.
Ayekho umuntu
Okay, inani shetheli yellow.
ubuya
ayikho
khona beka
Kanjani?
lapha bakufundisa iEnglish ngesiZulu.
Ngeke.
Le
deny.
Yeah.
Demetlithi.
Angeke.
Yonke into
Deny.
Yonke into.
Shetheli yelo.
Hayi.
okay two truth bazalwane ukuthi mina ngikhe ngahamba
Now akumelanga usitsheke ukuthi yini iqinisini manje. We have to guess ukuthi kulezo istory lezi.
kulezo itori yinamanga
Yini
yineqiniso
iqiniso.
well I had a girl ne noma ngabe ikhapha kusalayo
Oh, you had a girl.
ufuna nje ukuthi ucomment ngoba uyazi wena
Hawu.
uhlala ufuna ukwazi ke wena okay I had a girl
Listen
ne
and we don't judge.
ugirl wakhona uhlala la hlala khona ne ngihlala la ngihlala khona
Okay.
I started imoto ngaya la hlala khona ne and we stayed for a long time very long time ne ithe bengiqeda kufika ngabuya
Wabuyiswa yini?
cause akangitsheli ukuthi
Ubambile.
unomuntu
Oh, wait, but you said you stayed for a long time.
yes
What's a long time?
what's the long time
You stayed waiting for her or
yes I stayed waiting ithe bengifika hleli nomuntu
So wait.
Manje kenzakalani? Wayenzani?
No. Ubuza into le. Ubekazi uthi yes.
yes
Nivumelene ukuthi yes.
yes
Ngesikhathi esifanayo.
and then ufana uthi beqeda kufika kanti ngiyafika
Yo.
Draw.
no ufike kuqala ufika
It
after
always comes last.
Amanga lawo.
I came after
No amanga esihlangana isitori sakho but.
yeah
No,
Asihlangana lulu.
ngeke nazi vele
no. You judge after. Second story.
bengingasihlanganisa la wow
Okay, it's fine.
second story ngise KFC mfethu cause vele KFC mfethu unamanga uzongitshela ngise KFC
Alright.
yabo ngihlangana nomuntu bekufunda naye yabo ngithi and then wena athi hayi sengisebenza la ngithi okay no problem hayi man lapha esleeping sami bhala manamba ngithi wow
Usebenza khona.
usebenza khona
Okay.
ngithi wow ise wow now okay sharp ngimbuze ku WhatsApp ukuthi girl and then
Musabile.
listen ithebe ngibuza ukuthi and then girl why now what if for future purposes yayibona
Mana usho ukuthi momfuna ke.
No.
Why wathathile amanamba?
I was curious
About what?
why
Wangambuzanga KFC usasponsor.
ngizombuza kanjani semsebenzini
Uyasebenza.
abanga ornament 1974 yimi nami ngiyabuza la
Khumbulani nami.
Yeah.
Okay.
nizogesa
Qhubeka number 3.
number 3 alemele nithole mina ngayithola ngishutha ngaza
No, number 3.
not educational
No, it's story sokugcina.
esokugcina ngihambile ngabuya
Serious lo.
Uhambile wabuya.
All right. Who was to guess Tala with you?
esiphi sinamanga
Aqale awa.
I can say the first one maybe it's like true. Cause mega emotional, mega story. You understand? So she would see like imhethile lento yenzakele. And the second one, I think this one's a lie.
which one the KFC
The KFC one.
Okay. Thank.
okay
The third is true. Uhambile wabuya.
clean
Nibakabuyanga. Oh, ngeze ukuthi akabuyanga kusele yena kamba lo.
But then if akabuyanga ngaba kekho la.
No, phela maybe stock sakudala lesi. Akabuyanga usele.
esokugcina ngihambile ngabuya
Ekugcineni
uthi
buyile.
ngihambile sele ngihambile ngabuya
Awu bantu shame. Yabo mantombazane.
guess no
Lesokucala manga. Unamanga yi. Oh, then this is 2 iqiniso. Yes. Yeah.
Answer us, Chief. Which one was?
wena uthini
Oh, me.
yes fana
All right. Yena himself in the flesh. Mphathi wazo.
sazi noma ukhuluma
Chief
kancane
ngiyasithakazelela.
yes fana
I think the first one, Chief, was true.
the first one was true
Yeah, legit. No guy lies about ukuthi uhambile wahlangana nomjita.
Mega yapi.
Ubizile.
Bakubizile kanti.
Hey, it was agreement. I'm coming. You coming?
we came each
Yeah.
other
No, wenda unyaka ngithi. Hey,
Yabona lento kungabi ne-steady kuyahlupha.
ubani no it's not about that uzokhipha isikhiya manje uzokhipha isikhiya
no, Chief.
for the corrections
Back then.
no
It was back then.
Oh, yeah.
ngishiya isikhiya
No, it's Kia.
She's a room. Or some apartment.
No, it's
Qashe in Pachel. In
What's funny?
urente.
Sehle waba concerned wena.
why unendaba
No, mangene ngazi ukuthi untwana mihlalapi.
Mntwana yakho.
Yes, very.
Oh.
yeah she's my
Yeah.
friend
Wait.
Yeah, you can
Kuhamba she.
Gubo.
Kakuhlala kini.
hlala kithi mina
Okay, umvashele kuphi?
Angithi ngiyabuza kubo na.
Oh, wow.
Phela ngimazi sasemncane phela. Bengimvakashela ku.
sasemncane
Oh.
yes
Nivashelana from
no
bancane.
man
Oh.
We stayed like wehlala in the
Estradini.
strategy.
Yeah, behlala
uzwile
eStratton
no
C1.
uyathanda ukuvakashelana ugayi. Lolo. Ayithi umzila ukuthi mangavakashela ugeni futhi.
No.
Nawuvakashela?
No, behlala estradini
Behlala
esiwa.
eStratton C1.
Navakashelana.
No,
Yeah.
man.
So, ukuyamvashela i1
Kanjani?
like
Our own. No.
No.
Yeah.
No.
wena ukuyamvashela
No.
Makanabo bani ngasikhathile kwakhe.
Kwakhe.
Yeah.
That girl uSlenda.
Okay, nginabantu.
And
Okay,
their
it's
friends
fine.
was it episode.
It's fine.
Yeah, that was it.
It's fine.
Let's carry on.
Yeah.
Okay, the truth, guys. The truth is the first one.
Exactly. I knew it.
You're kind of you're
They got emotional
No.
like you.
Asifisi.
We can move the mic, it's fine.
And phela bekuzoba ngcono ukuthi aski.
No. you know ne noma kungathiwa ne but umuntu accepta le uyangakhona unjilo
yini uwe lo
nguye
uthi uwe
Uye.
wayehleke kanje
Akusiyino.
hayi
yamazi marukelo wakhona I'm sure ubuyele kuye
No.
but that's abangani.
Sikunene kudala.
Okay, asiya kuwe our very one, our guest
Sure.
Uhlehle buhle.
Yo.
Dark beauty.
angasomaka diko
My perfect wedding.
gqoke white
Okay.
your perfect wedding
Hayi ma.
uthe my
Yes.
uthe my perfect
Ah,
wedding
no,
so ngifuna ukuthi ulungise
No, guys. Ish.
are you
Nama-fans.
saying yes to
No.
Ndoda yami nesibhamu yo.
No, yabona manje kuba ngathi yabo.
Asu-
uthe my perfect wedding angithi nami I'm trying to
ishow yomshado our
Which
perfect
one?
wedding
Our perfect wedding.
it's our perfect not my perfect when you said my
As this. Sorry,
Uzophoshwa
sorry,
nawe.
sorry.
how
Sorry, before
Bazogcina
isibhamu singalandela. Our.
Perfect wedding. Okay. So the first one, I have a child. The second one.
Ooh.
Like must I get personal? Like must I
Yes.
Into ke sifunayo.
How
okay.
uzophela manje khuluma fast noma ungenza kanjalo try siyeza kuwe
mina angisabumuntu phela backup rate
Okay, I don't have friends. The second one. The third one.
Awukho deep sis. Sifuna uye lapha ya kulesi story lesiyade
See.
ekhanda lesiya.
See.
Lesiya lesongatshela umuntu ngaso. On the table.
Angina story deep mas.
abazi bakhetha girl
gade
how si deep leso
gade yena
phela abafana bathi
hlehle
how
No.
so kuna abafana
No, it's a music guys. There's a simple chance. She's our guest.
Yeah. Umfanuke wangishaya. That's the third one.
Okay.
That's the third one.
No, akanjalo.
That's the third one.
Oh,
Yes.
but you were not deep. Usikwathisile wathi guys near deep like this. Wasitshela ukuthi you don't have friends.
Yes, that's deep.
Ngishayile.
Yeah.
mina
Anginamntwana.
obvious and uyazi ukuthi onawe umntwana which is
Uyazi ukuthi unomntwana.
ugcine nini
Exactly.
umntwana so mithisile fast so
No, but
uyeza
this is
Yeah,
But
you can answer. Yeah.
uyeza
okay. Can I answer first?
Yeah.
Number one.
oh lana ufuna ukuphendula
yeah uza
Awu,
lapho la
my
ekushayeni
perfect wedding
yeah
ufuna ukuphendula kuqala
No,
you
guys.
can't chow the stock boy
Chief.
Yini lapho?
you can't chow the
And
stock
eaten by others.
you
Chief.
can't
Just
chow
say,
the
Chief.
stock
I'm the
boy
seller, Chief.
okay
Okay.
yeah the
No, I
sale
think number one, which you have a kid.
mm.
But I think I know the fun. But
Why is that?
no.
Why is that?
Number one is. Number two, anabangani. Right. Number three, utheni? Okay, actually.
Bake bangishaya umfana.
Awazosha mfana?
Yeah, sorry, no, I haven't.
Oh, yazibambe.
yeah
Yeah, like
Yeah.
No, wasili.
manje
Why mele ngile?
manje
Like why mele ngile? If we arguing, it's
Oh,
fine.
it's
Like
fine.
go, yeah.
Lulu can
So,
guess
Am I accurate?
one right
I think.
abantwana bebakhona basezulwini ngedla
wena amakhulu
Sando guys is
Kunama-condition.
She's a mother of 5, by the way.
Yes, fana.
No, phela ikwazi umuntu angathi akanamntwana kanti kudala bakhipha, you never know.
Usho ukuthi une-tombstone.
Basezulwini bamlindile bahleli no bathi ithini vesi uJesu uhleli naba nezulukwane zabo
Khipha abantwana.
hayi khipha abantwana uhleli nezukulu yabazi wababiza bonke no
Hayi hlangani.
Hayi hlangani lento ekhulumayo.
nokuphela lethi uhleli nezukulu zabo something like that
Lesizukulwane sakho.
yes yiyo how yiyo le uNoah so you never know who's looking ujongile
Should know what has an arc.
so
No, it's baphendula bonke.
no I think yokuba nomntana angazi but yeah for me ngathi unaye then ebangani unabo akekho umuntu ongalabangani and then indoda ukuthi ukushayile indoda phela it's not like ukuthi kumele azakhipha igazi ukuthi ubone ukuthi ukushayile but kunokuba nalawo ma arguments abakhona but for me it's true orisiyabambana
amantombazana athi umlomo uyashayana.
even mongihethile it's something because I will cry it's not like mele uze ube
GBV.
yes it's GBV
Ngakushanga umlomo.
yes wena
You can't.
yes nokuthi noma ngijiva ungifonela
Yes,
ukuthi ngihambe
but I'm
lapho
talking about
Unolu-
physical,
Unolu
the
mfethu
physical
has-been
aspect.
through a lot.
Yes,
No, she's talking about.
the physical aspect.
eh andike ngabambana nomuntu wakho
Okay.
maybe ke gaqina
Whoa.
Yeah,
We've been through it.
Uyambona mfethu nange-piercing nje uthi,
Izokulanda.
ayizi.
danko
Izokulanda.
Uyambona ukuthi
angithi wena negolide
been through asengiyo sibheke
mina
sonke.
nawe
Sibheke sonke.
negolide.
Chief,
Sibheke sonke.
comment.
Oh, comment. The child part akanayo. Akanamntwana. Leyo kulwa nomuntu wakhe is the truth. Konje phokugcina.
I don't have friends.
Abangani.
bakhona ayindawo songani
Ukhona.
Yes.
Khona.
Yeah, ukhona umngani.
Okay.
That I can say.
Ososong sis comment
Yeah.
sitshela.
So the first one, Engan, is true.
Mama.
The second
No, it is
one,
true, Chief. it
the
is.
friends.
Niyazi mina.
I have one friend,
Mhm.
so he's
True.
true. Then ukshaya mfana ngazi ngashaya mfana.
False.
manje
Nice.
ayithanda amakhulu
I was born avule.
Angazi ngashaya mfana.
Serious.
Angazi. I'm not that, yeah. Mina besilwa, I just leave you there and go out.
Have you ever tried wena ube physical
No.
besides emfaneni Thomasana? Wazaba like from primary school.
Angazi. I'm calm.
Cabanga.
Like I'm a calm person. Like I don't
vala ngale
like.
ibune ebusweni
No, I'm a calm person. Ngithanda ukulwa.
Bezala mina ngazi kanti kanjani kanti uzomvala kanjani manje?
Kanjani ngiyibona? Like kanjani?
Uzibona
Chaza
iphi
ukuthini?
zakhe?
yeah
Wena ngathi uyi2 team plug.
When we team plug wena.
Shanga phana
SIM
nga.
card guy2.
Sesiya kuwe Nolu Love herself.
pu 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 pu
Oh.
Uyaziphuphuzela.
Uyaziphuphuzela.
Crackheads.
Kumele siyithenge sihle mfethu kumele our producer can you please buy the pupu
Ipupupupu.
for Thando just ukuthi
Net ukuthi afike naye.
was 5 manje ayisho. Owas like sokuyingoma kuyi.
Asiphefumulisa.
Cela umthele drink.
Ngizomthelela
Ka-
shem
8.
Nolu Love.
Kashisa.
Kusalayo noma ngayenza
No guys it's my fault sorry.
Yeah.
kuyashisa
Yeah,
njengeqiniso.
Ngoba hleli neshisa.
Bahleli ndeshisa.
Yeah.
Yes
sorry,
fana come here. Come here.
Sorry ngixolisa.
Touch my back. Yeah, ishisa.
Yo.
yeah okay
Yo, yahleka.
number 1 I will say I have
Why
never
don't you-
done a blow job
Ay!
How?
and then number 2 I don't love I'm a soft I love like toxic guy
Oh marshmallow.
angifuni nje
Ungabiza
umfana ozoba like soft to me make yonke into uyavuma yebo baba ngathi sisonto
Wait, can I ask a question before? So lo guy benimshare. Wait. Okay, asazi benithola manje isikhathi esi1. But ke
Of course.
ukumthandela ukuthi ubeka toxic.
yeah
Umyekeleni
baka why
if
ngoba
bheka toxic.
sozowazi ukuthi iqiniso
Umyekeleni if
Sifuna
bheka toxic.
amaqiniso.
yeah
Umyekeleni if bheka toxic.
that's why ngamyekaka ngithi
Oh,
yeke wena.
yes, of
Wena wahlezi
course.
ulahla.
akangilahlanga
Uthanda ukulahlwa.
siyakhuluma
Uthawu nayo
Ukuthi
number
sometimes-
yakhe.
wena
Ayi.
Uthe uzomvideo call.
Manje
maka
asanayo
ngithi
number.
ubonile
Stuku,
ukuthi
stuku.
utshengisile ukuthi nginayo number yakhe
Okay, carry on. Sorry.
how yeah ngibathanda mama Shimelo vele
Bambiza.
and then number 3
Him no soft.
okay I want ask umngane wami ukuthi angijekise ukuthi izwa kanjani i-blowjob because I'm engakaze ngiyenze like yabo so
Wait, when was that?
Last year.
No,
not
it's
last year I
months
think yeah
Range.
Oh!
so umtshela ukuthi uyayishaya yena i-blowjob
3 months back. Angazi nginamaphawu.
Wait.
Nginamaphawu mina nginamaphawu.
Wait.
Nginamaphawu.
no
I guessed correctly.
Wait. Ukubuza. Ngiyamazi lo mngane.
Oh,
Ngiyamazi lo mngane.
no
Eh?
Bomazi shoot an experience.
Na chief, I'm asking something
experience.
very personal and
Okay.
I don't know her.
uyamazi obviously do
Une experience naye.
fine.
Ooh.
Chief abazali bethi babhekile.
So ngacela yena yabo ukuthi yeah angitshengise ukuthi
So,
yenza kanjani. And
okay,
then-
Ufundise kanjani ngethwayi
no and then uthe ngiye ku
kumngani wakhe.
yini Pornhub I have never watched porn it was
She
my
watches
first
porn.
time
Oh yeah,
no I don't know
Okay.
but
No,
ungitshela
as
ukuthi
more pictures.
if ngifuna ukuyazi I have to go where and then yeah bengiqala nokubukela iporn
Babukele bani?
mengazi ukuthi kenzakalani bayakuvezela lapha
Okay, can I ask since then
Makamiyeka aqede
Uqedile,
istory
I'm
zakhe.
done.
Esesithuli.
3
3.
Oh,
Can I ask you since then umbuzile ukuthi
iyenzwa kanjani
i-mic ibanjwa njani? Uyenzile?
no
Okay, can I ask futhi I have a question. Why bofuna ukuyazi if awenzile?
because the guy was too freaky for me so I wanted to do something
Uthe ufuna abantu abatoxic.
no being
But
toxic and
toxicity
being
come with
freaky
freaky.
it's
No,
no
it's different.
no
Do you know why?
It's- no it's not let
Just
me
ignore
tell
them,
you
I mean.
there's someone who's toxic whereby yabo ngithanda ukuphuza kanjani maybe ngithanda ukuphuma out I don't like umuntu engizothi sometimes ngizothi sengifuna uphuma thi yeah like ngifuna indoda
Challenge.
yes umuntu ozongchallenge
hlala
yes
phansi.
hlala phansi
Shangi.
Ngim
Not
loyo.
going there.
That's me.
and then umuntu ozoba freaky
Uwe.
What if I'm not soft?
Ay,
Yo, ask her,
See,
Chief.
yeah Maria
uthini le?
Ask her, Chief.
Oh,
No.
nina eats.
No.
Nina eats.
No. No, Chief. But she knows.
I know.
Just know. She
and then
knows.
umuntu ofreaky ulozothi mongena emnyango sekayakhoma manje
Hey.
ufanelekezalani sekaku that's freaky so menga asinto engisijwayele ukuthi manje ungenzani wayungikhama kanje ngathi manje
Oh,
sola
so you're not
ini.
comfortable nomuntu freak.
Yeah, no I'm not
Okay.
I feel like ungenza
Lapha ya.
Ukuze
Lapha ya.
ukwenze pornstar.
yeah
No, I think Chief, we should decorate these words because now we want to win that award.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we-
Saboma
No, we
mfundisi
will,
thina
we will.
abanye.
We won't
We
win that
will go
award
there.
with,
will go
with
there.
that. You see.
Yeah.
Sizozenza
Let's
Yeah.
decorate it,
yeah.
Yes.
So in the field of soccer, ne?
While you're playing
Yeah,
Yeah.
when you're there,
the ball.
do you want a soft match
A soft match
or a match that is hard for you? Like
a soft
easy?
match
Yeah,
for me it's soft
soft.
yeah
Oh, ufuna something like amazulu nesiwelele.
if I can choose a banana and a cucumber I'll choose a banana
Cause
Get
it's
it.
softer.
No,
Of course,
done.
of course,
Yeah.
of course,
she's
Yeah.
done.
of course.
She's
yeah
done.
Of course.
That's
She's
it.
done. She's
Yes.
done. Done.
Which
Yeah.
one is the truth? Which one is the liars?
Chief, let's talk about your English.
My
Because-
English.
Now, you speaking, it's not broken.
Mm.
it's broke.
It's prickly.
Yaphuka kudala. Should broke nokuthi ayinamali.
It's broken. Yes.
No,
No,
okay.
my
No, it's
English I will explain. From my English. That's my English. I had to fetch it from primary.
Oh.
Now primary because of age I'm
No,
normal.
they ain't crash.
Ne? Crash bakufundisa
Oh,
English
yeah,
crash.
crash.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ufundepho.
Ligozo semanzi. Awa,
bongayenza mara station
Mina ngifunda station yami yesitswana ezulu Strumavra.
Yeah.
Angiyazi English.
1 2 buckle my shoes
Hayi incane leyo.
Head and shoulders.
no
Yama rube la kofa. Leyo nto.
So head and shoulders, knees and toes are
Mina
reason.
hayi mina English ngiyazi grade 1.
Inithando.
Head and shoulders.
Yeah.
Head and
Head,
shoulders, ihloko.
shoulders, knees
Head.
and toes.
chest and waist
Bese okay.
Oh.
Okay, chief. Mina ne?
Mm.
Nithi. Number 1 konje number 1. Pro job. We have to decorate.
PJ.
Asibize nge holding the mic.
Yeah,
Mic,
holding
mic.
the mic. Yes.
So- Holding the mic.
Uzoyiblipa mfana yo.
Yeah, chief. He knows what to do. Holding the mic. You can't. It's true. Number 2 konje ithini?
Ngambheka bohle utsalayo.
like why
My friend.
so sure
Ah,
about it
I don't love Marshmallow. I love toxic
it's
guys.
true.
Oh yes.
Number 3. Amaqiniso mozoyi3 lawo.
No, not way 3.
Iupha mang.
I have never hold the mic before. I have never
I-truth angithi.
it's lie. I have never.
Oh, it's a lie. Oh,
Yeah.
i-mic uyibambile.
Angaze ngayibamba, it's a lie. Angaze ngayenza.
You confusing. Chief, I'm confused.
No fana, you didn't understand the question.
No,
It's like
chief.
this. Ugirl uthe akakaze ayibambe imic.
Mic.
So uyibambile.
No, akakaze
And
abambe
then I
imic.
asked
Waya
my
kumngani
friend
wakhe wathi
ukuthi angitshele ukuthi iyenzwa kanjani because I
Mic.
don't know how to do it.
But you tell when mawuqala you've never done it.
Yes, I have
Yes,
never.
That's
never.
angithi.
that's the truth
Oh,
yeah.
Oh,
that's
it's
the
true.
truth.
That's
ukuthi
why
Yeah.
zoyi3
Ah.
amaqiniso.
Oh yes.
Oh, amaqiniso.
Oh, zoyi3 amaqiniso.
Azange
Angina-
qamba amanga.
Okay.
Anginawo amanga ke mina.
Yo shame.
Awunamanga wonke.
Umfana
Amanga
kaJesu.
uzothini?
Hayi.
Hayi, anginawo.
Okay, chief. Sasitshelile mos sasidinga ukuthi sike.
Mm.
Okay, sekudlala mina manje.
I'm a straightforward person.
Okay.
Angizwani namanga.
Shoot mina ngidlala because my friend ngiyamazi mina.
unamanga
Fine.
Mina.
Namanga.
Yo mina mangami. Yo.
Namanga lona.
Namanga.
Mina ngilomuntu mangiqama manga
Oh.
ngizongabelieve.
yo
Ngicine seng like literally seng
Ucanga ukuthi wayebeka sesifikile wena ongaphandle asikafiki.
Awu.
ene besikude yo
singikhulumile. But anyways guys, mina number 1 yami ne. Guys abazali. All right. Number 1.
Yes,
Abazali
but,
abapasta.
abayazi i-podcast abazali bazobayibukela ku
So ngizobe posta nama link.
hey
So sis. It's fine.
okay, it's fine.
Futhi
Sengipheni isikhathi sami.
futhi owami uyayibukela YouTube. Is done. Ngeke ngithanda ngiqeda la.
Afuna ngikhuluma. Let me see something. Number 1, yeah? There was a girl in Makhaya.
Emakhaya
Chief, bangithuma bathi ngiyolanda angazi ini sengikhohliwe. Mangifika la,
Ngase impuphu.
I think impupho. Mangifika lapha, ugela uyi1.
Angazi.
No ngithi ngiyamtshela ukuthi ngithunywe ugogo ukuthi ngizolanda something. Ugela utsayid wakhima inyama.
Angazi.
Chief, bear in mind ne bengakayazi udlala efieldini.
Oh yes, yes. Ibhola
Bengakazi.
bongakalazi
Yeah,
ukuthi
bengakwazi.
ikoraphi.
Yabo. Bengakwazi ukuthi ipali ukora kuphi. So hayi ukuthi ngiyazi manje but ke so
Usaseyilona.
mangifika la chief ugel nangu okay wenza ngathi uyelanda lento besathi yazini asilinde umalume ngithi oh it's fine if umalume uyazi ukuthi kuphi lento
Wena
leyo
uzobuya.
ngizohlala
Oh, gosh.
no yabo then ugirl chief afuna ukungidlalisa ibhola you see afuna yabo
manje ugel mesakalazi field yena
yena basalazi hleli
Umdala kana.
Abasemakhaya
Yeah, sure.
abantwana basemakhaya bayazi fast
Okay.
kunalathi ngapha.
Waoselapha wena.
Bengihlala khona.
Oh, okay.
nawe
Mm.
baba
Mina ngisaselo wana.
or baba kubambisa ibench
Ngihamba umkhazi ubuhlanga.
Yo, umkhazi.
ngikubonile
Ungibonile?
ngikubonile
Ngiphethe induku.
ngikubonile
Ugqoke ne
ngikubonile
ngicamba manje
ngibonile
Ngizokushaya.
ngibonile
ngiveze i
ah
ngisakasa ngathi abantwana
mobeze ini
amathanga
Maphi?
oh yeah he has ties for this guy he plays rugby
Wazelapha wena.
no he plays rugby no watch him play rugby he's like
I'm fit.
yeah so chief
Yes, fine.
then she said I must follow her
Mm.
then I said no then wangigijimisa endlini
Ngakutshela.
wangigijimisa ngabaleka
manje
Wena
Yena.
bekufuna kuqala.
Yena.
Ish.
Anje.
no
Okay.
we're still yabo wearing
We're
our
dressed.
kids.
Yes.
yabo angijimise chief ngithi ngiyabaleka
Nix.
ngiyabaleka la
Umgogo.
ngithi ngiyabaleka la
Mm.
ngangena ekamereni bingazi ikamera ngithi ngibalekela kwenye
Ekishini.
indawo kanye ngaso lesikamereni lakhe hayi wathi bhuti ungasabi
Sekulate.
ungasabi wangiphushela ngalala wathi it's your first time I was like yes playing soccer it's the first time yabo wathi
Nale bola.
wakhipha ama cocks
Oh yes. Yeah.
amasokisi
No,
Amasokisi.
akusamasokisi. Machine guards.
no amasokisi
Angithi
Masokisi.
machine guards
Oh,
like
she can
protect.
okay
Yes.
machine guards
But amasokisi.
but amasokisi
Masokisi are protect.
Because
Because of this
iyafaka.
yagqoka.
Yes.
you see then wakhipha amasokisi and I was like
Wagqokisa wona.
azange
because
wagqoke
no
Azange wena wagqoka.
no why no do you know why
First time.
bengafuna
ukhona
no
first time ugqoka amasokisi vele
No.
Yes. but
first time ugqoka amasokisi
First time ugqoka amasokisi. Who's that?
Ayi.
Who's that?
chief
mugqoka amasokisi baba kugqokela
Yo.
amasokisi first time
I'm
No,
sure
I'm
wayenza
asking.
una 14. Bongoba kanje.
mekagoba
No.
muwe
Into engishoyo ukuthi bekagoba kanje.
manga uthe bongoba kanje
Why kuba ngathi wayenza under 14?
Lutho.
Let me finish.
Lutho.
Let me finish.
I feel
Lutho.
like we finish
Fine.
we should finish no no
Yo. Uyamyeka. Uyamyeka.
No. Bano sheshe finish
Uyamyeka.
uqala.
Uyamyeka.
Itamati bolisika akumelanga ulisike lishesha. You must go high, slow and steady.
but you mina don't see tamati chief
You don't
Bite
say
it.
you bite the tamati.
there
Kanama.
no I bite it. Mina I eat it like
You know,
apple
oh, it's draw.
no but I don't eat tamati I feel like mawudla ku sandwich ne like no carry scaftini sina tamati
It spoils the
yeah sekumanje manje
thing.
sinkwesimanzi
Bathi mnandi beyimanzi abanye. You were continuing, my friend. Yes, Fana.
oh yeah then the malume fit ufikile umalume
Oh, malume
I was
ufiki.
saved
You were
by
saying.
Malum. Nothing happened. No goal was scored.
no
No,
because I was running
azange wayi-1
Angithi phela
no
kugqokisa
I was running
amasokisi.
I didn't want it was like
Manje
attempt rape
isokisi ulisephi?
attempt rape
Attempted.
Manje isokisi ulisephi?
I didn't put in the socks
Oh, she pushed the
Angithi
socks.
ukubak-
she offered the socks
Oh, you didn't.
I rejected
Oh, okay.
Okay.
story number 2
Okay. Yes, Fana.
nginabantwana
Oh.
about 6
Story number 2.
Ekhaya bazi
1.
Yo.
Nkulunkulu. Yeah.
Story number 3 guys.
Bonke bayaphila noma khona basezulwini.
Wena.
No. Khona
Or khona bazayo.
khona abaphilayo khona basezulwini.
Okay.
Khona nabazayo.
Yo.
Khona nabazayo.
Or khona nabazayo.
Khona nabazayo. Number 3. Thana ngathi wakhunto yazi ngelife yami.
Okay.
By the way guys.
Oh,
Can I explain mina noThando ukuthi
Nazana somewhere.
Sezana noThando church vibes.
yes.
And
That's
there's
it.
a common
Denominator.
but in mutual friend ekhona in between mina.
My mutual friend or yours.
No, it's
Yours.
like she's mutual between us. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Ours.
And then maga mutual friend yimi kuwe uyini.
Mutual. No. Nyambo.
Okay.
Saz.
Okay, now chief, the third one, the third story.
Yes, fine.
Oh wow.
I'm thinking, chief, I'm processing.
You can't think your
No, I'm trying to think something deep, you see, because of me. I'm funny, no. Hlehle. Now uhamba wabuya. Now
I mean that's the truth. In fact, ungihambile ngabuya.
I think Thando, it's pale is serious on the show. Because Tina sile la. My third story, I think ngeka
Ngachayiswa
I
imoto.
can ngiyalala no.
Chase I'm Wow.
No, can I talk something manje ngathi oh asikhulume ngemoto ne ngiyatshontsha imoto yasekhaya
Okay.
then mangibuya ngahlana nobaba egedini so eza ngemoto yakhe
But then that's I think every boy or
Yeah, umfana.
No,
nami
it's the
ngiyenza leyo nto.
Unless if kuba kunamoto.
Nozikho.
Maybe uzoko no senyasho ukuthi umfana unless if
unless
kubo.
akunamoto kubo.
Yeah,
Okay,
maybe kune bicycle,
okay.
maybe kajantshi
Okay.
bicycle.
okay siqala our perfect
The perfect wedding. ngiyakutshela.
Ngikuphendule bese ngiyatsoretse. Konje the first one. Lebo gijimisa bona ekhanda. I'd say it's a lie. The second one is true. The third one is true.
Angas.
hayi go
Sukuma
I know
mngamba
what you
kubone.
Go ahead.
uyokwenza
Sukuma mngamba kubone.
ngabheki buya ngabheka
Yeah, church. Ngona ngokuze kuwe. No, mina mfethu the truth is the child is the truth. It's the one.
It's the one.
It's the one, it's the truth. The Makaya is not. For me, it's not. The third one is the truth.
okay thingi confess number 1 truth konke wangathemta number
But then
2
you can't say Makaya.
no it's ibe sempumalanga ekhaya
Oh,
yeah
the time she's so long.
Okay.
Number 2 the kids no that's a lie
It's a lie, the kids.
yeah number 3
Wayengathokho shona.
number 3
Akazazi.
no iqiniso number 3
Okay.
the kids mara
Abayi 6 nawe.
6 no
Aw.
it's a lie come on
Yo,
6 guys.
6. Uyayishaya lento.
Unemali.
Yaskora. Akazwani neshin guard.
Gaviscon
No.
on the place.
the money doesn't
Angikubo vele ba wealthy.
chief you
Oh
gonna
Lord,
make me robbed
you are
now
worthy.
Ngeke bazokwazi ngani ukuthi uhamba ngani uhlala phi.
Kanjani? Kuyashisa futhi na.
full time guys bayishisa kahlupha
Niqiniso liyashisa.
where's our guest Haibo I think she's thinking of
No.
me while she's no chief like
Chwang no.
she's doing some things
Which things?
Guys, have you like I want to ask ngeke hamba nayo thenga.
no mina personally
No.
You have never.
No. I've thought of it, ne. But I've saw ukuthi
Kenzakalani.
it's not worth my life.
But you have done itrata before.
Every boy had did it. Every boy had did it.
Yeah, then it right.
Namanga.
Never. No reason.
Let me tell you.
No, why?
Here's why mina ngisho ukuthi namanga.
Okay.
Mokon. No. No, I'm asking.
You know why?
Oh,
why?
choking the snake.
Yes, fana.
Yes.
Here's why ngisho kanjalo.
No, to know why.
Kuna dream what?
Oh,
Wet dreams.
Wet dreams.
Yeah.
So they're very nice.
When you wanna
Have you ever had wet dreams? They're very nice.
I'm wet dreams.
Andlula abafana.
Why ngisho?
Awena mnandi ukudlala kwethu.
You.
Serious.
Udlula oh if you have
But wait, can I ask? Interesting day. Like kuba nomuntu like umazi.
No,
No,
it's just
awumazi umuntu wakhona.
thoughts.
Amuyazi.
Namanga nabuso, but then you have to imagine a
Yes.
male figure.
they're very nice. I don't wanna lie. Yo, those are the best dreams.
Do you cry like
No, you
No.
just feel after so the good atmosphere. Little bit.
I ovulate.
Amen.
not ovulate.
yellow shirt. Yellow shirt.
Beginning lapho.
Yellow shirt.
Kanjani manje?
No, ungitshele mfethu.
Umithiswe iphupho. I never.
Khona kontomazana ke afika kimi athi ungimisisile wena angimazi.
Namanga.
wena.
Ngizokushaya.
Shy.
Ngizokushaya namanga.
It's true.
Nambala.
Okay, wait.
Wakuphi?
Okay, guys.
Hmm?
Serious.
Yeah, yeah. But guys, one thing about like mina ngifuna ukukhuluma na. Ungaba like let's say let me talk about body count. You can have maybe 10 body counts.
Wena wokuqala unangaki?
Mina I have 11.
Ay, never. Manga.
11.
Manga.
I swear.
11 times.
11 no
Huh?
time.
11 times.
Amu no.
Times.
No. Mina ngicela ukuba study this year.
Oh.
Mina. I swear.
Umntana kuna ngaki?
Una 5.
Start nini?
And then baby daddy we dated for 8 years.
Shoot wena wonke lama body
And-
counts.
5. Kula ma body count ngina 11 body counts mara wani ngibuzinto.
11 body counts uqale this year.
Yeah, I
You've been busy.
No,
You've been busy.
Don't wait.
Every month is one.
Shoot la it's the 12th month manje. Shoot last year vele bekunomusha.
December kaka.
Akakamtholo ka December.
Awuzama zama kayi
It's
one.
fine. But sengiyasho ke
Shadile.
11.
11.
No.
Oh, Thando.
yeah,
11.
my body count's 11.
This year.
Not this year, like Mrs. Bala solo ngabreak.
Okay, waqala
It's
nini
11.
break?
Ngabreak ha 2020.
Shoot
That's why I see-
una 25.
Ubani?
When?
It's 25, yeah.
When una 25.
No, it's good 2025.
No,
Kuthi
when
mina
na
ngakhi,
20
it
oh.
doesn't matter. But ngibreak he
When
2020.
unangaki? When uyazi ukuthi unangaki?
Kora today.
And then baba ngibreaka
Kora.
ngathola umntwana straight.
Okay.
So wavele wa score. Kuyashisa phela la. Kuyashisa. So yeah. So into engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi like let's say njoba ngiku11 ku body count and we still counting sasemncane phela.
We're still counting.
Hey,
Sayabamba.
kusazoqhubeka
Stay. Oh, stay.
kusazoba
Oh,
khona
stay.
bazofika.
Stay. Oh, stay.
Okay.
Oh, baby, did I go now?
No, we broke up.
You have another boyfriend.
Yeah, yo mina ngumthanda. Yes.
Oh, baby, did bomthanda.
No, baby
Okay.
dad. After ngihluka no baby dad and then I just hit
What
soccer
happened? Why?
player.
Which soccer player?
I can't.
Nyazi.
I can't.
Hey! Udlalele Chiefs. What the super sport?
Soccer player.
Yeah.
Check.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
No, Namang, no,
Suso.
no, never. Never. Megumngani wakhe. No, megumngani wakhe. No,
Umngani wakhe beka soccer player.
No, bebaba. Uyazi ngithi ama soccer player they're all friends.
Alright.
Bekasuki.
Bekadlalela iphi team I will guess.
Ngishikama lakhe.
Ushonile. So you never know. Yeah,
Oh,
this year.
ngishikama lakhe.
No, please don't.
Car accident.
Yeah.
I know.
So yeah. So yeah. And I felt like as a fan and there's mozolala nabo. Abafana like ngizothi ku body count yami. Abafana ngisengilana nabo. Maybe abantu abangichamisile bayi5. Iba kanjalo nje kumantombazane. So it's fun nokuthi
Out of 11.
out of 11 I can
The
say
6
that.
useless.
Yeah.
Thank
ngathi bangakubukela
noma kungaba yi5 no uyavuma it's like that
nawu njalo
no it's not like ukuthi unjalo but it's something
like,
girls yithi most esinfikisayo nanifikisi
oh
yes that's what I'm trying to say that's it
no mina
Angithi
ufike
uyavuma?
Fethu
Thank you. Ungabala noma bangaba yi4 but
No.
kulo yi4 maybe angaba yi1 umuntu ozokufikisa la mele ufike khona.
fikisa mfethu sase ngoba wangafikisa ngeke bakubali
Mara okay.
Yeah, into engisho uyavumelana nalento engishoyo. Thank you.
should now wafika
Kubani?
laba abanye abafikanga
Kubani?
Nomabhodi kandanga
Wafika kubani?
buhle wafika unamabhodi kandanga ngana
No, mina ngumamfundisi guys.
Singafiki ngicela.
noma kungathiwa umfundisi kanjani
Sekabona ukuthi ngifise ngifike ku11.
Please yo.
Asizoyipost.
so yeah let's extreme chat podcast
No, it's fine. 11 is
small
yeah. Kusazoshuba.
khona bakuthi
Sozoba
something nganam
2.
No guys, why
Two.
nisibuza? Nina nikuphi?
2.
Ubani waphi?
My virgin break and my current boyfriend. So
Ubani
like,
vithi break?
ngeke kusho igama
no. No, bomntana lo manje ngithi.
shothi loyal
Yes,
Umi umntana uthi 2.
2.
Alright, aku 2. Nyekeni.
Okay, 2.
Yeah.
okay two sokuvumela for
Yeah,
manje
it's fine.
Body count.
For man.
mina
No guys.
Tell me now.
Why isibuza ngama body count?
Uweqalile.
uweqalile yawo
Yeah, siyekeni is fine.
Siyeke.
Siyeke.
Hayi.
Wena ithi body count.
Yeah, it's in body count yakho.
You.
It's in.
zibale
It's legit 3.
Ngeke.
Okay, oh
Deny.
wayenzani wes1
Oh shoot him kahle kahle.
Yeah, you the one.
Wena moku 3. Makuthe you have to be honest here. Mina sengibalile.
I'm honest.
3 tell me now
Kanjani abomama baba 6? Or maybe khona abashare abantwana. Oh.
you can't be umphathi westrategy bese uba
Bayi
una
6
3
vela ngithi phela khona abanye bayakhala lapha bafuna bababo.
Mina guys.
umphathi westrategy phela
Ngithi
sho ukuthi
thina.
yena uye
Hethekile.
Uhethe abanye abantu.
Eh?
iya
Guys, why ngithathe nje ngathi mina ngumuntu oyiplayer, I'm hitting people's hearts.
Okay, sharp.
Don't say guys.
yabona ifaxi player suzwa
Ngiyakhetha.
ngama
Ngike ngakhetha? Okay.
Ukekhetha.
No, uetha ngathi ngamhetha.
No, yimi
Yeah.
ngizila ngithi ukuthi
Oh, niyazana nalutho.
Ah.
Niyafunana.
Hayi.
cause bala asiphelisa
Orhlehle ngifuna mfethu? Nami ngifuni ke. Asikisezwe.
Okay, nama ngifuni ke.
No, angimfuni
Yeah.
vele. No, she knows ukuthi angifuni. She knows why.
she knows why
Yeah.
where were you where we were
You were where?
where we were
Where I wasn't where.
Okay, fine.
Okay, siye ke. Hlehle.
Sekashisa vele.
nizosiphefumulisa guys ngoba
What about
sekulate
show something?
In.
Mara so quickly. You were like, guys, oh, you're choking snakes, ne? I said no. Oh. Do you know why I haven't choked? Do you know why?
It can't.
No, I have
I have a valid reason
I have a valid reason.
Of
No, it's fine. It's your opinion.
Yeah. Choking a snake. Choking
Yes.
a snake. Never.
Do you know why? I always had excess.
Never.
boy
Kule 3 le othe.
No, chief. No, listen, chief. Listen.
Ukeka DJ.
No.
Ukeka DJ.
Hey.
of course
Ukeka DJ.
Yeah, I have.
Okay.
now every day scene
But you when I believe, mangithi.
I don't
But I
Mara
wouldn't,
mina
because I don't
ngibelieve
like
though.
it.
okay awukazi
No.
I wouldn't consider.
awukazi
No, okay, let me explain
No,
myself.
tell me us now.
No.
Okay, thing is explain.
Just explain.
I did it once. The time I asked
Salayo.
umngane ukuthi ibamba kanjani mic. Makangithumela
Sal-
laphaya.
Oh, wena
Ukuthumelile?
Makangithumela ukuthi ngiyobukela the
Oh,
thing.
the PH.
And then I was
You were
at that
tempted.
hemisphere, and then
Or you were
yeah, because it's
Oh,
the
oh,
first
oh,
time
let me ask something.
ngibheka.
You have a child, right?
Yes.
Okay.
But I have never. Mekuqala this year.
Okay, Sambo.
DJ.
How was your first time?
Wow.
Oh,
Wait.
it was nice.
Whoa,
Buza
stay.
ngidlule.
Whoa.
First time in. First time in.
How was the first time?
Doing what? DJing or
Everything.
Now ask DJing. Did you
I enjoyed
Come,
DJing.
go.
I did. I did. It was nice.
You came.
Yes. I was like, I was yeah.
Producer, we shoot that shot.
Yes, I was like I like I'm honest. And then okay, I think good baby
You
daddy.
shot that shoot.
There's things where
It's long.
bomthanda
Come
umuntu.
back.
You compromise.
Yeah, no, besides compromising, I think whenever you love soccer, like mawulithanda lento yenzayo nalo likuthanda, you will like angeke feel anything. You will think whatever you're doing it's nice until uthola amabhoza, and then
That's why
that's
I
where
wish you
you will
compromise.
see. Yes.
Wait.
okay.
So your man wasn't T-pose.
Yeah.
No.
So,
No.
whoa,
If given a chance,
There's
If-
always something better.
if given a
Okay, let me
chance,
ask.
There's
No,
always
itu.
something
Nginibuza
there.
no itu again, manje, ne?
yeah.
If there's that one boy, ne? Nawe, ne? Let me say boy, guy or something,
Yeah,
ne?
yeah.
Guy. Okay,
Yeah.
wakhipisa amanzi, ne?
Yeah.
Imvula. Okay, wakhipisa imvula. Kwanetha. Would you call him back?
Call
Yes, if
Chief,
possible.
call.
Yes.
Like angambiza back.
Yes. Yes, that's what I'm saying because
Mina English
That's why I
ngakutshela ukuthi
Would you call him back?
call him
Nah,
back,
wait,
ngizwa
nah.
kahle.
that's why I'm
Ngizwe
saying
kahle,
ukuthi
fana.
baby dad
How-
have never I mean ngazi nokuthi kunezinto zokuthi imvula iyanetha.
Uzotrenda.
Ay.
Like honestly mengazi ukuthi imvula iyanetha ukuthi unokufila bo shaya ama cricket. No ukhona.
Ay, ngikutheni.
Hayi loyo baby dad.
No. And then lo
Baby,
Baby, lo idlozi so
ulongikhiphe ku baby dad, and then I was like that's why if
Oh, he was the player who played his no.
yeah, you play
He knew his
yeah.
playing.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's
Was
way.
scoring.
I magaskora sham. Asimpeni ama flowers wakhe.
Yeah,
That's where I saw it. Yeah, kanti keziwa kanje.
I'm sure funeral lakhe.
Into engikhale yona.
Ama flower.
Mengathi ngivuka amadlozi.
Uvuka amadlozi while
No, mega ngasikhathi.
No, Chief, I'm sure since imupha amaflower ku funeral lakhe
And,
wagcola amaflower.
Yeah, mengagcwele shem. Yey,
Yena
mengagcwele
wathengile.
kumele.
Sadinga ukuthi imupha.
And vele
ngibona-
bekukhulunywa ngaye aqala ukukhuluma like
Ukuthi
ku podcast akusimi ngiwane ecala ukukhuluma ngaye.
Ay, he's giving. He gives the gift of the givers.
Akusimi ukucala.
Who
ukukhuluma
gave?
ngaye.
Tell me now.
Yeah, ukuthi nje I don't wanna say the name but akusimi ukucala ukukhuluma ngaye.
Ngathi nasiyamazi.
And lo omunye
Accident.
okhulume ngaye megakhala.
naye umkhalisile.
Megakhala and
Ukuthi?
ushadile ugelo wakhona. I was like I don't want to talk about this guy but beka right for yena.
Wait, I don't understand.
Yeah, angeke understand ngoba wazi ukuthi ngikhuluma
Ugelo
ngobani.
kabani?
Ngalo
Uzokhala,
megashonile.
Your ex
Yes,
So,
lo ex yakhe.
ujole naye while
No,
Maybe
yena
ex
kusi ex yakhe phela
or
yakhe.
he's
bekanaye.
or
Ex
she's
yakhe lo
the
ya.
recent ex, latest
I
ex.
am latest
She's the
ex.
latest
yes,
ex.
and then I'm the recent ex.
Uzomkhupha.
So naye ku
No, it doesn't
I
make
can
sense.
understand.
Wena
Who was the latest? Ubani ugcine uba ex?
Now,
him.
Before Shona,
ulandela
bojola naye.
yeah. No, ugel ulandela.
Mina ngilandela lo.
Oh, lo girl.
Yes.
Ugel
Lo
umshaya
okhulume
istina.
ngaye.
Wena umshaya
Angumshaya
istina.
Yes.
ngestina, angumshaya ngestina.
Oh, bahlukene besojola naye.
Bahlukene and then
Oh.
yeah, it happened.
No,
But then there's
it's
the-
for the
there's-
extremers.
You know, that's the thing about amantombazane. I'm talking about based on cheating, yabo? Ne? I'm talking about based on cheating, ne?
Based.
Based I ngilalele perfectly. ne
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes,
Yes,
boy.
fana.
wena hlehle uyamsupporta ngoba umngani wakhe
Yes, most definitely.
kumele simcorrect
Yiso.
ile English le ngoba nifunda nonke emali umkhuphu
English file.
mali umkhuphu primary school
bengifunda e-Rodiport for a
Yes.
reason.
Thank you very much.
Yes, fana.
Yabona abantu abasabadlalile sokheni wait.
You know,
No.
between yabo okay if umjita ne ngibuza nini ngikubuza wena I'm sure uyenzile umjita bekaza kuwe ne akushele then niyajola ne after about 8 months ne akuyeke wena athole enye intombazana would you consider that as cheating or dala nikhuluma or
No ungeka kanjani?
akusi cheating
In which good times
Mike,
or
yekile
bad
futhi
times?
cheating.
Yeah, bekakekile akusi-cheating.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
cheating...
yeah
There's
One
cheating
like
job.
Currently.
yes. 8
It's
months
a
is very long.
Can I ask?
Now,
Ugacheat,
mina I have a
ugacheat.
friend
Wait ugacheat before
why
of course
why,
of course
why, why
of course of course
Zoya kuthanda you the guest ugacheat before
of course
no let her answer chief.
let her answer
Answer.
What's
hand.
considered cheating?
we know
how
cheating,
you know
come
you know
cheating.
okay
Come on.
cheating has two personalities
Exactly.
Which
yes you can have a person ne bese you yes father you can have a person bese ujole nomunye umuntu you can have a person bese uyashkarande panganoy after
Cheating is cheating chief.
while you have
cheating is cheating. You can't
Let
explain
let me
cheating.
cook something ne there's being disloyal and there's cheating disloyal example once ujola nami Thando wapha umunye umchita amanamba that's being disloyal
Kanjani manje?
no
yes,
like
that's being,
I'm making an example
loyalty ayikho.
no yeah you see
Okay, yeah.
Alright.
see
Omunye
let me
ngathi-
cook let me cook okay.
ngimupha amanamba ngoba ngifuna suke phambi kwami
yeah that's
ayikho
count.
nje leyo
You see disloyalty or uthi bengifuna i-ride wangikha like into enjalo yabo
Okay. Yeah.
that's disloyalty which is plays a part of cheating ne?
But it's not that.
But cheating it's whereby chief before ingena enkonzweni cheating it comes whereby the flirting yabo from flirting chief kuyale cheating ukuncomana yes no
So
it
okay, you got cheat.
kho cheat
You got
cheat
Manje like akwazi ukuncoma umuntu ukuthi
No,
like
but
ugcoke
you-
kahle.
no why
You look handsome.
Uncoma umfana.
why ungakhiphi kuwe
Ugcoke kahle.
Fethu sibahle sibaningi
uzwana experience uncoma umfana
no uright but
No ngiyabuza usuncoma umfana.
Yes, uncoma umfana.
Ngamncoma.
Kahle.
Sikasi. Ayi ngeke.
Uncoma umtshela ukuthi yo yazi guy
allow.
Not ukuthi ume kahle, ugcoke kahle.
Sikasi. And then ucabanga ukuthi umnikani leyo umfana lo intentionally.
no
like,
tshela ukuthi
Guys
uyamfuna.
will yes.
Uyamfuna.
Yes.
Uyamfuna.
Yes.
guys
Nah.
I will never.
Nah.
Yo, I would never.
cheating it's whereby from flirting ngale once
That's
umuntu
hard.
cheating but ke disloyalty cala whereby
Mara
into ongeke uyenze disloyalty into ongeke uyenze umuntu wakhe khona
But guys will always
cheat thina
Yeah.
no
we don't cheat
Why
we
would they
explore
say
black
no
guys
we
don't
don't
cheat.
cheat we don't cheat as
no this term is official you know she knows there's no cheat
Yes.
no
That's
it's
why you
cheating
should
it's
cheat.
cheating
Because
ngithi
guys, they are never
it's
enough.
exploring your options
You guys are never enough. Just say
Tin.
it. Yes.
Me, I don't
no we
cheat.
do
Huh?
okay
So only women cheat.
no I was talking about me
Guys
personally.
cheat.
okay.
Women don't
yazi
cheat.
okay
One thing
you know
about
yazi
women,
njani
they are
yazi njani
like-
wena mfethu ne
No.
let me give you
No.
mamela let me give you a cup ne icup wathi wafaka isandla ne ngokunike ufaka isandla angazi kube nosanelo kube nobongane kube nobanibani bafaka izandla
Ungathi bongani nani nani.
Yeah.
Why ungathi Lindiwe
Ubani bongani?
le mamela ukuthi ngiyaphi
ngamantombazana no.
mamela ngiyaphi
No.
mamela
He's
ngiyaphi
cooking something.
mamela ngiyaphi afaka isandla nomunye afaka isandla ngizona lelo cup lelo ungaphuza phezukwalo let me ask you futhi
Yes,
wena straight
bayaphuza.
ungaphuza mamela umuntu
Why nithenga?
yeah
Why nithenga?
Awubani bathenga?
Like abafana, I'm not saying you guys nathenga.
Bayathenga because they don't receive.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. It's just
Wait.
like
not
guys
50-50.
cheat, girls cheat. Like
It's
well,
cheating at a fine.
I mean, I will say if like one thing about amantombazana, whenever intombazana ikuthanda, it's hard to cheat umuntu wakho.
True.
Wait,
Because Tina, yeah, you can ask.
Uga cheated umuntu wakho.
Baby daddy no.
No.
Unless
umuntu okay.
Yes, I have because ukuthi akekho enough for mina.
Then
And makangangiphi attention le enginidayo. But if someone uyakhona ukuthi angiphi attention, I'll never go out. But umfana ungamnike attention but still because akekho enough uzophuma.
Wangamnika instead of cheating.
Yeah?
Wangamnika instead of
Ngiyakunika.
No, but ke
Uyamnika.
wangamnikanga.
Because ngiyamthanda, that's why thina amantombazana sizohlalela nonsense.
True.
Siyabekezela thina
Maria,
as girls siyakwazi ukuthi sibekezele.
She's cooking. You know why?
Singabekezela whatever like umuntu noma ngakucheatela yenzani uyibona lento le but because inhliziyo isaselapho you will stay
Okay.
until uzukhona ukuthi ukhishwe omunye umuntu.
You know she's cooking.
That's it.
Because
But umfana uyakhona ukuthi
he's fun.
acheat whatever abone ukuthi lo muntu lo uyangithanda. So ethandweni I just feel like uthando it's like usayikhumbula lo mzinki lo yenza so.
Wrong.
No, not amarongo.
Ikingongo.
Yes, yeah. Yes. Kumele kube kanjalo.
Khona le ejole nomuntu oyisitufuza. Ayiwa mangale ugeli sinsahleli kanje.
Besides, like I'm just going, yeah. So uthando we
Chela kungana.
Yilong mazi.
My love life. Salayo. Uyadla wena.
Usho njabulo. Pu.
No. Ay. Oh,
Hayi wena.
uzongikwatela umngane wami.
Ngiyabhlungu.
Split.
Ngizomname shame phela ngizomname shame umuntu wami kade kulate la.
Usho muphi?
Ngumuntu.
Muphi?
Unomuntu.
Yeah.
You dating chief?
Yes.
But I
The person is
saw,
fun.
I saw you posted.
You saw.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, the one. This
The
one.
one. Her
That
name.
one.
Yes. Her name is Dudle. My name. Yes.
Oh, Thandi
My name for
Dudla.
her is Dudle.
Thandi Dudla. Idudla or thick.
Thick.
Khona lo beyajwayela ibeke isidudla.
But mina to be honest, I don't have
Poster
it.
ina kuphela ngazi why ukhuluma ngwa.
Oh, you don't have a type.
Sexual like
Oh, I'm gonna type.
No, I don't have a type.
Uyajona.
No, I feel like-
pork,
no.
beef,
Wait.
chicken,
une type.
No, I don't have a type.
zonk.
Reason being, that's why.
Why?
I feel like umuntu one type immature.
Okay. In what sense?
All senses. Because of number one, if une type.
Manje ngikhuluma kuma nathi last.
These extremists, they're very important. They'll
But then the extremists bazobona.
Bazoswinisa lento esifunayo.
Isasma. We are there.
Okay,
You want
it's fine. Yeah.
Me pomfethu Sasma, we are going there.
For you, our
We are
producer.
going there mfethu.
I feel like umuntu one type immature and ngizongitshela kuma comments ngizongirasela nani it's fine. But the reason being, guys, everyone unomuntu nowadays, ne? And some people ne e-type sometimes young physique, e-type sometimes young personality, e-type sometimes young character. There's difference.
Yeah, true.
But again, mina chief, mina ngifuna umuntu ozonelisa, umuntu ozongikhulisa number one. Number two, abe muhle. Uthi ngayiphi indlela?
I-beauty account akuwo.
Yeah, it counts. Come on,
what-
angeke uhambe nomuntu explain ukuthi guys ngithanda inhliziyo yakhe.
Inhliziyo yakhe ukudlula yena.
Yeah, inhliziyo
So
ingakho.
that's your type. You
Yena
like
muhle
beautiful
ngendlela
women.
yakhe.
No.
No, I'm saying.
I know. That's why kuthiwa ubuhle bathini?
Nangibuhle.
No, this no.
The eye, the
Yeah,
beauty is
in
the
the
eye.
of the beholder.
Yeah, like
Wena ungamthanda umuntu wakho xa ukuthi muhle, but emehlweni wethu singamboni.
Yeah,
Yes, that's why nami ngamjola nomfana mengumbheka ngithi sisilomfana lo muhle but mengeza kuwe ngithi yomngani ngithi hawu uboneni kulomfana lona. Yes, yes. So ungafaka ubuhle.
Into
Ungafaka ubuhle. Ungafaka ubuhle.
No, mina
Yeah,
ngiyafaka.
ungafaki,
Reason
no.
being, okay, can I
kumele
cook?
ucabangela abantwana
No,
kokunye
yes, you see.
bengathi
see?
nyamithisa
Bakhona abantu ababi abazala abantu abahle.
Yeah.
No. And abahle.
Asibukele umvango. Uyisho lento tothi.
No,
It's
no,
very-
it's
Hayi,
not. It's
Chief.
not.
Manje uthi umvango zonke zimbi.
All right. No, Chief. Do you know why ngithini?
It's fine.
Let me repeat ne. Into engisho ukuthi i-type guys. The reason why ngikhuluma ngobuhle. If mfethu uzovuka phambi kokugele ekseni. Then umbuke ngendlela ongambuka ngayo ebusuku. Then
Wena why uthatha ugele ebusuku?
No,
Usuku ufunani?
let me cook something Thando. Ne?
Awele lento ukuthatha umuntu
Thando.
ebusuku. Ehamba notwana.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah, ayikho
no.
right.
Once
So vuka
wabasoba.
nobabakhe. Uhambe ebusuku nomamakhe.
Once wabasoba zonke
Ekuseni sovuka
zimbi.
nobabakhe.
Wadaba zonke zinhle. Lahla phansi.
No, guys,
Yekela.
can I repeat?
No,
Can
you
I
don't
repeat?
rap anything. It's
Can I,
fine.
no, can I repeat?
It's fine.
Look rap.
Opinion yami. No, it's opinion.
Okay. It's
Entitled.
opinion yakho.
Entitled guys.
18.
Opinion yami. Ngithi mina ne. Thando. One thing ne. I-attraction iqala emehlweni.
Wakho.
Wa anyone
Not an
unless you are
yes.
blind.
No.
But
Thando
attraction
blind.
Attraction is
True.
for everyone mfethu.
attraction iqala emehlweni. Chief ngeke ushele umuntu onga-attractanga amehlo akho. Angeke uqoma umuntu
ungambonanga
onga-attractanga amehlo akho.
Abafana,
Wait,
one thing about
Thando,
guys,
let me cook.
umzimba ungak-attract ukhohle ukuthi ubheke
but
ubuso.
ubonile
but
then
ubonile
ukuthi ubone the
kuqala.
physique so that
Okay.
what attracted him because he saw the physique.
Yes, into ngishoyo ukuthi i-physics yakha ngemfethu.
Ungaba muhle ngendlela yakho makubuso.
Yeah, mina
Uyazi
kimi.
ebusweni.
Okay, mina personally ne. Ubuhle counts ne.
Yeah.
But angeke ngithi ubuhle 100.
Yeah.
But it counts ukuthi umuntu abe muhle. Yes.
Mm.
Number 2, I'm big ku personality.
Yeah.
And I'm,
Yeah,
I'm
the age,
very
yeah,
big ku
yeah.
character.
Yeah.
I personality umuntu okubonisa
Mina umuntu
Man-
strong ku personality.
okay, let me
Yes.
I personality ne. It's when money too. Into experience abantu aba personal. That's why we biza personality. Abagini bayakwazi umuntu wakho yakwazi umntana wakho kanje personality. Character into I display out of amehlo out of I comfort zone yakho. Mawuphume ebantwini that's where you uveza ini
Correct.
character. Webhaye ukuthi for example chief ebantwini ngumphathi. Wena mangiphuma le ngiphathi but once ngafika kumamakhe nguam. Ngiveza uamu angivezi the bossy guy angivezi the control or the yabona
Commanding, yes.
commanding guy
So
but bangifela
umama
ngiya
ucommand.
no kuye ngi chief
She is. Boyithu bayakhomandana.
Yeah.
Amakhomanda.
Yeah.
all right guys
So umphathi nakumama ke basically.
no
Bayaphathana.
Bayaphathana.
Okay.
we listen
Mphathi kazi mphathi.
all right guys let me repeat guys siyabonga ashela izandla ogcina guys
Ngos. Yes. Tell me now.
shout out to our direct singathi producer our director Mr Mepo ukusipha ithuba abafethu
Yeah, thank you so much.
we sibonga inhliziyo yakho mfethu sibonga ingqondo yakho
isikhathi sakho,
ukusilalela
yes.
then shout out to my co-host okay I'm the host guys angazi introduce but I'm the host uAmu Mabuyango umphathi mshala ka Jesu yena in the flesh himself shout out to my co-host uLonwabo ngisebenzana naye uLolo Qasibe Mkhuma shout out to my girl queen of the show uThando Nolulove Shabalala shout out to our
Shaba
perfect
Rhymes.
wedding Uhlehle ubuhle for your time siyabonga bafethu let's wrap it asishayini izandla nje
Yes.
Yes. Thank you.
Danko.